of all for giving me such easy words. Only 2-3 mobile numbers, so made it very easy to remember. The credit goes to Latex's training, and this is nothing. This is just nothing. Our advanced seminar, you can remember 500 things, 1000 things like this. Like whoever has done SM2, you will feel, oh, SM2 is so easy. Advanced seminar makes everything, remembering everything very, very, very easy. You take any language of world, any phone number, anything, any such kind of a word which he gave, or any alien word which doesn't exist. You can remember anything and everything very easily. Because memory is your choice. If you want to remember, you will easily remember. You just require that training, and then you just require practice. If you get trained, and if you don't practice, you will not get the result. You need to practice. The way every extraordinary practice is, even you have to practice. So, if you are ready to practice, we are ready to give you this secret. It is so easy. Like for students, studies will become very easy. For businessmen who think their memory is not good, it will become like a left-hand job. To remember anything and everything, any product's name, any company's name, any person's name, any phone number, it becomes very easy. It's such a simple technique. We feel that memorizing is so difficult, but in reality it is very easy. And that is what our demonstrations prove. And let me tell you one more thing, such kind of demonstrations are not given anywhere. This technique is nowhere. This is the creation of Latesh sir, where you can remember anything and everything. That is what our mission when we started SM2. We had only one mission, that you can remember anything and everything. And these advanced seminars are proving that you can remember anything and everything. You go anywhere in the world, you take memory training, I challenge you that you will not be able to remember so many difficult things. But this technique makes it very simple to remember anything and everything. So I invite all of you, especially who have done SM2, I can see many people who have done SM2. First time we are launching this advanced seminar here in Nairobi, just starting from 5th of August, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th August, evening 6 to 9, only 3 hours a day, total 18 hours workshop, and it will really change the way you look at your memory, and you will become such kind of a memory wizard. 100 demonstration will become very easy for you, and that's what we want to give you. We want to share our secret with you all. So only 20-30 lucky people will be allowed to do this seminar. Do not miss this opportunity. If anyone else who has not done SM2, and if they want to learn this advanced technique, they have to do SM2 first. And before that advanced seminar, we have 2 SM2 batches. One is 16th, this Tuesday, 16th, 17th, 18th and 19th, evening 5 to 9. Another one is 22nd to 25th of July. These are the 2 batches. You can enroll for that. Same way, I really thank sir that you accepted our request and you specially came here. Otherwise he is very busy. He is here only for 8 days. He is training so many companies and he has to meet so many people, but he specially removed that much time and he came here. So thank you very much.
So I have one small question. No, it's fine. Sorry for interruption. This 100 words batch that you have done today, is it possible that if we ask you the same thing after 2 months, will you remember exactly what transpired?
If I want to remember. As I said, memory is your choice. If you want to remember, you can. So if I want to remember till 2 months, I can.
Yo!